The soul shapers of craft breweries, beer brewers, they play a vital role in craft breweries. From controlling raw material costs to professional brewing skills, the control of beer quality and clean and hygienic environment play the role of key decision makers and guides. 1. Beer raw material cost. First of all, beer brewers need to obtain information about the taste, aroma, nutritional content, etc. of the raw materials. Learn more about their features, uses and prices to make the best decision when choosing. Secondly, we must formulate reasonable purchasing plans and budgets based on the needs of different formulas. Pay close attention to market price dynamics so that you can make appropriate adjustments when prices fluctuate. Establish long-term friendly cooperative relationships with suppliers to obtain more favorable prices and reduce procurement costs. Then formulate a reasonable production plan to ensure that raw materials are fully utilized during use. Avoid waste and further reduce costs by reusing spent grains and other byproducts. And ensure that raw materials are kept in the best condition in the warehouse to avoid expiration or damage. Effectively manage and monitor the procurement, storage, and use of raw materials. 2. Brewing process. Beer brewers must have professional skills and experience. According to the local climate and water quality, choose the appropriate method for fermentation. During the brewing process, the aroma and color of the beer are adjusted in time to achieve the best taste. Proficient in various brewing techniques and recipes, and able to flexibly use different raw materials and process conditions. Brew beer with unique style and taste. 3. Beer quality. Beer brewers will develop and implement strict quality inspection procedures. Ensure every batch of beer meets expected quality standards and food safety requirements. Continuously explore new beer varieties and recipes to meet consumers' needs for taste and flavor. By participating in beer competitions, networking with other industry people, and researching the latest brewing techniques to gain new inspiration and knowledge and apply these to actual production. You can also learn about consumers' taste preferences through free tastings and adjust the taste and recipe of the beer based on this feedback. 4. Environmental hygiene. Brewing equipment cleaning is essential for environmental hygiene. Beer brewers will abide by the corresponding norms and standards during the operation process. Strictly require equipment hygiene and carry out regular cleaning, disinfection, and other measures within the specified time. Ensure that the equipment does not produce pollution during use and ensure the quality of beer. Hidden parts such as pipes and valves will also be cleaned in place to prevent the growth of microorganisms. Regularly test wastewater to ensure it meets discharge standards and avoid adverse effects on the environment. Therefore, we should focus on cultivating excellent brewers and beer breweries. Only craft breweries that produce high-quality beer with unique taste and style will win the favor and trust of consumers.